Hi, I'm Alexandra.
And I'm Evan.
And we're within hiking distance.
Today we're doing the Cleetwood Trail in Crater Lake National Park. We're going to go swimming in Crater Lake.
Crater Lake is the deepest lake in the United States with a depth of 1,949 feet. The water from the lake is only from snowmelt, and there is no water running in or out of the lake. The Cleetwood Cove Trail is a 2.2-mile round-trip trail with 700 feet of elevation change. It is heavily trafficked and located on the East Rim Drive, which is on the opposite side of the lake from Rim Village. To get to the lake, there are a number of long switchbacks as the trail descends into the crater. The Cleetwood Cove Trail is the only legal access to the shore of Crater Lake. Swimming and fishing are both allowed here. Tour boats for Crater Lake are also accessed at this location. We had hiked the Mount Scott Trail earlier in the day, so jumping into water to get refreshed sounded like a good idea.
Nice. It's pretty cold. Yeah.
The water is cold and the average surface temperature is only 57 degrees during the summer.
Oh my gosh! It's even worse the second time. It was cold the first time and even colder the second time.
Be sure to bring some warm clothes after you're done swimming. Hike back up the trail and back to the parking lot once you're done visiting.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.